Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B18B8 refers to an issue with the left side blind spot information BSI radar unit in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Specifically, it signifies that the azimuth alignment of the radar unit is off, meaning that the radar beam does not accurately project as intended. The BSI system plays a crucial role in assisting drivers by detecting vehicles in the blind spot, enhancing safety during lane changes. This radar unit is typically located near the rear bumper on the left side of the vehicle. It's essential to address this issue to ensure the BSI system operates correctly, as misalignment could lead to reduced functionality or even failure of this critical safety feature. Understanding the specific conditions under which this error arises is vital for effective troubleshooting. Drivers should be aware of any symptoms or warnings that may arise when this DTC is present. The left side BSI radar unit is responsible for detecting vehicles in the blind spot and is key to the proper functioning of the blind spot information system. It is located on the left rear corner of the vehicle, just behind the rear bumper. If the radar is misaligned due to external factors, such as an abnormal mounting condition, it can erroneously identify the presence or absence of vehicles in adjacent lanes. Various components, including the radar unit and its bracket, can contribute to this misalignment if they are damaged or improperly installed. The radar unit itself utilizes high-frequency waves to gauge distance and detect obstacles, making its accurate positioning critical. Ensuring these components are correctly aligned will prevent the system from registering false positives or negatives, which could jeopardize driver safety. Several factors may lead to the DTC B18B8. A common cause is deformation or damage to the left side BSI radar unit installation, which can misalign the radar beam. Dirt or other deposits on the radar unit surface could obstruct the radar's ability to function correctly, leading to misinterpretation of sensor data. Furthermore, incorrect tire sizes or pressures can inadvertently affect the vehicle's handling and suspension, leading to further misalignment issues. In addition, any modifications made to the suspension system can drastically alter the dynamics of the vehicle, potentially impacting the BSI radar unit's performance. Each of these causes should be thoroughly investigated during the diagnostic process to determine the root of the problem and ensure a complete fix. When DTC B18B8 is triggered, drivers may experience several symptoms that indicate a problem within the vehicle's BSI system. One significant symptom is the presence of warning indicators on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction. This can lead to reduced functionality of the BSI system, resulting in erroneous alert signals or failure to detect vehicles in the blind spot, which could compromise safety. Drivers might also notice unusual feedback from the system, such as alerts that seem to activate too late or not at all. If not addressed promptly, these symptoms can lead to dangerous driving situations. Awareness of these symptoms is crucial for early detection and rectification of the underlying issues, ensuring the BSI system functions as intended. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC B18B8, it is essential to check the installation of the left side BSI radar unit and its bracket for any signs of deformation or damage. This step involves a physical inspection of the components to assess their condition visually and physically. Confirming that both the radar unit and the bracket are properly installed is critical for the accurate functioning of the radar. Any abnormalities found during this inspection may indicate an extensive issue that requires further attention, such as realignment or replacement. If the installation is determined to be normal, proceed to reset the learning value of the BSI radar unit, which is a necessary step to clear the fault. Keeping a keen eye during this process could help identify any hidden issues that may not be immediately apparent. In this step, the rear bumper must be removed to conduct a thorough inspection of the left side BSI radar unit. This will allow direct access to both the radar unit and the surrounding area for dirt and deposits that could interfere with its function. The radar unit's surface should be closely inspected for any accumulation of dust, mud, or other debris, as these can disrupt the radar's ability to correctly detect obstacles. Ensuring the radar surface is clean is crucial for its overall effectiveness. If any dirt or deposits are discovered, a detailed cleaning should be performed. This step emphasizes the importance of maintaining the radar unit clean and unobstructed for optimal functionality, and highlights potential mistakes that could lead to improper detection by the BSI system. During this inspection step, if other previously inspected items have shown normal conditions, it indicates that the left side BSI radar unit itself may be faulty. Evaluating the condition of the radar unit will require a detailed assessment to ensure it is operational. If it is found that the radar unit is malfunctioning, it will need to be replaced to restore the proper functioning of the BSI system. This assessment is vital because even if installation and cleanliness are confirmed to be normal, the radar unit may still be the root cause of the DTC. Ensure to document the findings and confirm that the abnormalities align with the symptoms exhibited by the driver. Moving into replacement, always follow the proper guidelines for installation and reset the learning values afterward. After completing all repairs related to DTC B18B8, the final verification is critical to confirming that the issues have been resolved. Start by resetting the learning values of the BSI radar unit, which is crucial for ensuring that the system recalibrates correctly. After this, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any diagnostic trouble codes stored in the system. This step is essential as it allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostics to refresh and begin monitoring the system anew. Make sure to turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode before turning it back on again. Finally, perform a functional test of the BSI system to verify its correct operation. Observing the BSI's responsiveness and accuracy in detecting adjacent vehicles will confirm a successful repair. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B18B8 and maintain the proper functioning of the BSI system, incorporating preventive maintenance measures is necessary. Regularly cleaning the BSI radar unit and its surrounding area can significantly reduce the chances of dirt buildup, which could interfere with its operation. This includes paying attention to seasonal changes, where mud and other debris might accumulate more quickly. Additionally, periodic inspections of the radar unit installation can help identify any developing issues, such as misalignments or damage, before they result in a DTC. Checking the integrity of all mounting components should also become part of scheduled maintenance. Committing to these preventive strategies will promote longevity and reliability of the BSI system, ensuring it remains a crucial safety feature in the Honda Accord. Understanding DTC B18B8 is vital for ensuring the safety and functionality of the Honda Accord's blind spot information system. It highlights issues with the left side BSI radar unit related to alignment, which can significantly impact the driver's awareness during maneuvers. By following the detailed troubleshooting steps provided, technicians can effectively identify and resolve the underlying problems, restoring the system to full functionality. Emphasizing preventive maintenance will not only help avoid similar issues in the future, but also reinforce a culture of proactive vehicle care. Regular inspections and cleanings, alongside effective usage of the diagnostic tools, will ensure that owners can trust their BSI system is always ready to assist. Through adherence to these practices, drivers can significantly enhance safety and overall driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.